Someone was talking to you why this election is important. I will tell you why it's important. I will tell you my own experience as governor. Local government is the nearest to the people. Local government is supposed to be the route for ensuring development. It is the system that is closer to the people, and the three most critical areas of development are health. It is in the local government through the primary health care. Number two is education. It is through the local government. So when you talk about education, you talk about basic education, which is primary and secondary. It is in the local government. And pulling people out of poverty. As you know today in Nigeria, there's mass poverty. And that mass poverty is in the local government. So for the system to work, in countries that develop well, it is the local government, the sub-national, which is the state, and the central government. So the central government will go through the sub-national to the local government. So every development is domiciled in the local government. And that is why it is critical that you know about local government. As governor, I was prevented by all of legal and litigation for conducting local government election for over 6 years. But I can tell you one thing. We still use the money belonging to local government in the local government system, and I can say it here, and I want all of you to take it. Go and look and verify all the money that came to local government in Anambra State, whether everyone is listening. If you go to every local government, we were number one in education. Because we use the money of the state and local government in the local government. We did very well in health because we use the money of the local government and the state in the local government. Our primary health care was one of the best. We did well in pulling people out of poverty because if you go to Baku, go to all those who were in charge of fighting poverty when I was in government, they will tell you that Anambra State is number one. Go to the government agencies. When we were in government, they will tell you that Anambra State paid its customer funding before any state in Nigeria. And what I'm telling you is on tape. Go and verify it. One state in Nigeria paid its customer funding to any development agency before Anambra State. Go to UNICEF, go to UNDP, go to all of them. They will tell you, European Union, everybody, we pay before everybody. And we make sure, and to trace that fact, we were number one in Millennium Development Goal, which is the only means of measuring development, and this is domiciled in local government system. So we are here today. I told chairman, I said, chairman, when is the local government election? I was informed by one of the aspirants. I said, chairman, we want to go and support them. Chairman, we have to go and deal with them. Chairman, we must find a way. Even if we don't have anything, we must find a way to ensure that they participate. Even if it's one naira, we will give them. So that's why we're here. So we're not just here to talk. We will support them with everything. Even when we are coming here, I said, chairman, we will go back and look for whatever we can do to support them. We must support them. That's what we did. We Peter, when you were there, I said when I was there, things were better. Today, trouble day. Today, wahala day. So today, that's no free chop. So let's time of wahala. So things are changed. And what we can say, today, it must be different. Government must account for public money. Today, across Nigeria, people are hungry. Today, across Nigeria, people are dying. People are not sure their children will go to school. So things don't change. And we are saying that those in government must also change and do the right thing. People have suffered enough in this country. That suffering must end. We must start now pulling people out of poverty. If we don't, I'm worried that one day, even those of us in government will wake up. What do we go see? We look at them. Because we must now. So those of you who are contesting, go and tell the people what you do. And whatever you say, if you succeed, do it. No more promise and fail. I kept telling Chairman when we were campaigning, I said, Chairman. I kept telling Chairman when we were campaigning, Chairman, I'm campaigning to the president because I can see it any day, I will solve the problem of Nigeria. All this confusion they are doing today can be solved. And that is what we are saying. And I continue to say, I'm prepared for it. And I want you to be prepared for it. I want them to be sure what you are promising. Time for fake promise are passed in this country. We don't want anyone to promise us fake things now. Everything you promise, you must deliver. Labour Party! Labour Party! Please go and look for a way to support them. We are supporting them. That's why we're here and everything. Labour Party will continue to grow stronger, better, everything. Half of the things you're hearing everywhere is rumor. Don't listen to them. We are committed to building a better and a new Nigeria. We have to move Nigeria from consumption